Once the premium cherries arrive, they are immediately moved onto these gleaming stainless steel conveyors for the transformation process to begin. In these floating tanks, the premium beans reveal their density, sinking away from the lighter, defective cherries above. As the time-lapse shows, the beans undergo a dramatic transformation, shifting from a pale green to this deep, caramelized brown. Here, the dried beans enter the precision hulling machines. These modern marvels of engineering Here, the protective parchment is stripped away, revealing the emerald heart of the premium bean. This advanced laser sorting technology scans every single bean, utilizing compressed air to instantly remove even microscopic imperfections. This small batch approach, utilizing our vintage copper drums, is essential to unlocking the nuanced flavors of the blend.